We are going to take a bus to St. Andrews, and here has two buses. One is X60, another is X59. X59 will take less time, about 2 hours to get me to St. Andrews. This is X60. We are waiting for X59. This is X59. We will leave Edinburgh for St. Andrews in probably 10 minutes. And the ticket price from Edinburgh to St. Andrews is £7.4. We are walking towards the apartment we lived 29 years ago. It's close to St. Andrews Cathedral. It's almost at the end of this road. This is a building we lived 29 years ago. It still exists. This is at the back of our apartment. This is a pier. We used to walk to this place. It's just only about 2 minutes walk from our apartment. This is the St. Andrews Cathedral. Our apartment is just down over there. These are crab nets. My wife went to crabbing with a fisherman before here. That is the pier. Here has a little beach. 4 minutes from our old apartment. Here's our old apartment, and here's the St. Andrews Cathedral. Let's get in, have a look. This is the center of the town. 29 years ago, there was an auction here, and we bought a necklace. This is a quite famous restaurant in town. It's a seafood restaurant called the Tail End. This is food from Tail End. We are staying at this hotel. It's a very, very nice hotel in St. Andrews.
Well, I live in Rockdale now, but I grew up in Miami.
Oh, you did?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
It's getting more crazy down there.
Yes.
I moved to.
You keep going.
Do you ever go down?
Yeah, we have a
Hi guys, can I please book a taxi
Yeah.
going to?
This is our room. It's not too big, but quite cozy. The bathroom is also quite clean. And here's a shower. They also provide ropes and even sleepers. This is the world famous old course hotel in St. Andrews. This is a golf course. It's not that spectacular. This is the hotel we are staying. Called Rusak. Here has a very nice beach. The water here is really clean. Which one is Tiger Woods? Great cold beer in hot day. It's pretty nice. This is the downtown St. Andrews. This is the place we worked 29 years ago. The sun is setting.